So hey guys, it's me Soham again, and just like I promised, this time I have come with a new opportunity for the 2021 graduates, and by this time I can say that this opportunity is one of the last for the 2021 graduates as we are moving towards the June end, and from after August, I think 2022 drives will start. So today we have come with the Mind Trees plus they are offering the campus placements, which is a very much good opportunity. 2021 off campus hiring for the Mind Tree, and I like more similarly to week ago. Here we can see that they are taking on BE, BTech 2021 pass outs and CSC, IT, and the circuital branches. Now, coming to circuital branches, we can see that electrical, electrical and electronics and communication, and then electronics and telecommunication, electronics and instrumentation. These 4 5 branches are they are going to take other than computer science and IT department. And another thing that minimum grade criteria of 60% throughout your all academic career from 10 to 12 to graduation, you should have that. So as you know, now I have come to see that many people provide false information regarding the final submission. So don't do that. Yeah. They have also mentioned it because it also accounts for your loss of time. So they have also given the registration link and the job description. Moreover, the link to this registration will be provided below in the description section. You can check out from and apply it from there. As you can see, Mindtree Kalinga. Now moving more towards the CTC and other things. Uh, CTC as you can see from here, we can see they are going to provide around 4 lakh per annum. So that's the base salary that more companies give for from 3.6 to 4. But comparing to the company status, Mindtree is one of the L&T is one of the biggest ventures. So it's a wonderful opportunity for all the freshers out there. Now it is the band C1. The promotions and HR will be, and also to recognize first they are going to give a stipend of 26,000 to all of you during that time, and after probation or period or after training, you are going to get 4 lakhs per annum. Eligibility criteria you can get 10, 12, 60% or 6 CGPA. Graduation also 60% of 6 CGPA. Now, one thing here that is slightly disregarded to other, there should be no educational break. Most companies give at least one educational break, but in this case there is no educational break. You should be continuous in your study cycle. uh, Moreover, no backlogs are applicable. As you can see, the circuit streams are even given here, and the hiring process, as we can see from here, that there are virtually 4 processes. The first, the aptitude test, everyone have to go through that. After that, the coding test. This is the round 2. Now the Mindtrace coding test, as I have found out, is a bit difficult than the other companies. Aptitude is a base level which many of the people can qualify. Going through the coding test, there will be technical discussion and HR interview, like most of the company. These are virtual. The last 2 years are that they may be merged together or they may be separate, depending upon the client. So you can go through all the learning program. This PDF, I am also going to attach it to the end of the video in the description. You can also look over it. Now, from where you have to apply, I will be giving you the link to this Mindtree Kalinga, and you have to apply here. Registration link. Click. After that, some type of Google form will appear. From there, as you can see, qualification. Most of the people do not have. Here, yes, here you have to give your final exams will get over. So give it accordingly, and if you don't know, please type unknown like that. Areas, do you have any areas, any better area? Already we saw that areas were not applicable, or what to say, they do not allow people with areas or over 10 12 CGPA, no educational gap, dedicated laptop? Do you have a dedicated laptop? Moreover, they are inquiring all the things beforehand, which other companies do during the interviews or the other period. PAN card, Aadhaar card. You have to mention all of these, and choose your favorite programming language. That's all you have to submit. After that, you will get back their get back to their mail. So this is a wonderful and hiring capability for all the freshers out there. I want all of the you people to who are still unplaced to apply it. And moreover, if you like this video and like the content of mine, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share with all of your friends to know all of them. So I'm gonna see all of you later on. Bye bye.